Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Clarity to diagnose layout shifts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Clarity website. Log in to your Microsoft Clarity account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Clarity dashboard. If you have not yet added a project, click on the Add New Project button. Fill in the required fields, such as the project name and website URL. Select your industry from the drop-down menu to help personalize your experience. After filling out the details, click on Create Project to proceed. You will be directed to a page with installation instructions for your new project. Choose the appropriate integration method for your website, such as manual or Tag Manager installation. For manual installation, copy the provided tracking code. Now, access your website's HTML code or your content management system. Locate the head section of your HTML code. Paste the Clarity tracking code just before the closing /head tag. If using a content management system, look for a settings section to add custom scripts. Once you have pasted the code, save your changes and publish your website. Return to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard and click on Settings for your project. Under the Settings menu, locate the Layout Shifts feature. Enable the Layout Shifts tracking option to monitor unexpected changes in your website layout. Adjust any additional settings based on your specific needs or preferences. Wait for some time to generate data, as it may take a few hours to record layout shifts. After the data has been collected, return to the dashboard to view the Layout Shifts report. Analyze the report to identify any problematic layout shifts that may affect user experience. Consider making the necessary adjustments to your website based on the insights gained. Continuously monitor the Layout Shifts report to maintain optimal website performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.